Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app. Okay, I'm opening for the very first time, so just forgive me everything. Alright, so we've got the camera, we are on the photo mode, so we can enter the settings. Let's tap on the settings in the right upper corner, and here we have to find the timer. As you can see, it will be in the general, which simply means that you do not have to be on the photo mode to enter those options, because they are general, so they will work also when you will be on the video mode, for example. Alright, enough of talking, let's tap on the timer. As you can see, we've got 4 different options, off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. In order to set the timer, we have to tap on the option. As you can see, we've got 10 seconds applied, so let's go back and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so basically this is how it works. Let me also show you the off option, what is the difference, but I'm pretty sure that you know it. However, from now on, if you've got the timer off, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.